She's hubbly bubbly. Chicken and chips, you want proper Indian food. So therefore, who has specially dal, especially no, you made me proper. If you make me proper, you must eat. It's not like fixing. But one cases, I think the money was exchanged when somebody did football match fixing between England and Pakistan team. So, something was said on the television, the police is looking into it. And I think therefore, police should be looking into the conduct of Dr. Helen Clark and conduct of Dr. Jonathan Bernstein. Why should they be ignoring my fall and symptom of my fall? Even Dr. Bernstein never wrote that I fell on it. It was on 20th April 2005. Dr. Helen Clark also never wrote. Dr. Helen Clark, actually there is not even a mention that of my fall in love. This is total fraud. Now this is my decoration, and this decoration should have been done in 2005. I was making all these things, and I was stacking them, that one day I will paint them and put them in my wall the way I want, but I have to pay somebody, an ordinary person who is not a painter, but he was on holiday from India, and I have to tell him put there. He made countless mistakes, so I have to spend a lot of time to sort out those mistakes and even to cover up those mistakes. So now the things I can do, people can't do. You know, people can do it, but if they want to do it, they can do it. I say I cook the best of Indian food. Others can do it as well, but his others don't want to put proper ingredients. They want to be mean and miser. But to cook it proper chicken curry, you have to spend proper ingredient money on proper ingredient. Says Mark Ali, I don't care about heart diseases, or I like my food to be cooked in pure ghee. Pure ghee means butter oil. But I don't cook butter oil every day, but only when I'm treating guests. We Indian, in my house, we Indian, whenever we invited English people in our house, we cook only the best of whiskey. Reason is that I want to show my upper class to the English people, and they showed me their middle class. I keep best dinner set only for English people. Instead nowadays, after they have hit me and injured me many times, I say I'll eat in my best dinner set, and when English come, I'll give them in plastic plates. See my friend, I'm not actually going to do it, but it's only in the manner. That's my angry style of saying thing. I'll eat in the best of dinner sets and give them plastic plates. But that I got angry and I say these things. But there were English people, they used to like my anger. They used to say, coming from you, we don't really mind it. You can say anything you like, we don't really mind it. But in those days, I used to meet right people, but nowadays I don't meet right people, however. But I don't have to meet right people. I'm a moody person. I don't like anybody forcing their intention on me. I like those type of English people who make me laugh. I like their sense of humor. Like for example, the police raided Bob Geldof's ex-wife Paula Yates, and she answered the door and she said she ain't here, and the policeman said we are looking for magic mushroom, and my husband laughed, and I said, where is the joke? I didn't get the joke. My husband said, policeman said we are looking for magic mushroom. I said, what is magic mushroom? My husband said, drugs. Yeah. I said, ha 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 ha, hoo, ha. I couldn't stop laughing. I like English sense of humor. So we should. My life is so painful, sore to touch joint, and I like anybody who make me laugh, because laughing means forgetting the pain. But now my body is taken over by pain. This pain is given to me by Marks and Spencer and my GP doctor. Marks and Spencer injured me, and they put me in the lap of the doctors. Marks and Spencer did not do intentional injury to me. I simply fell, and their mannequin came off the anchor and hit me. And it was an accident that Marks and Spencer tried to get away scot-free. They did not like to admit, but solicitor Caroline Blake was nice. She forced them to confess. But Solicitor Caroline Blake was nice, so she told Marks and Spencer that if Missy Dudley, the injuries are not showing up its full force uh, within 3 years, uh, but if the injury became worst after 3 years, we will have a right to get more compensation. But when Mr. Seacamp took over, he closed that loophole. He's working against me, my GP working against me. Dr. Harlan Clark should be investigated by police. Dr. Jonathan Bernstein should be investigated by police. Solicitor Mr. Seacamp should be investigated by the police, because they are not working for me. They are supposed to be mine, but they are not working for me. Dr. Arora, medical expert, should be working for me. I mean, he got paid to be an expert, but he's telling tales uh, to uh, to my solicitor that pins and needle originated in 1972 due to my working in the General Post Office are same as originated on due to my fall in Marks and Spencer. This is a point that can be used against him, because pins and needle can paralyze the arm. Pins and needle means lack of nerve supply, under nerve supply, and future paralysis. So in 72, if my pins and needle had continued from 1972 to 2005, my arm would have been paralyzed, but there is no, police should arrest him only on one point. Everybody know that I've been sub postmaster. I've been working in the unemployment benefit office. I've been painting my house, doing decoration. Paralysis and pins and needle, they are linked with each other. Pins and needle means nerve supply to the arms is affected. When nerves are not working, muscle are not working. When muscle are not working, paralysis take over. So I'm a victim of Marks and Spencer, and I'm more victim of my own doctors, and my own medical expert was my last hope, and both Dr. Arora, Dr. Dubey should be arrested, because I am going to sit and guide the police, this man is lying, this point is wrong, but they don't listen to me because I'm a foreigner. This is not, I think they will listen to me if my Indian